Okay, we're gonna compose and play a three-part drum beat. If you can see here, this is a 12 box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide it up into 4 groups of 3. And then I'm gonna try to have a slightly less than boring top part, my hi-hat. I'm gonna space the X's. If you notice the way I'm spacing the X's, I'm basically hitting the first and the third of every group. So it's like, okay, not so bad. Now let's get the bass in there. I'm gonna keep the bass pretty standard. Like, okay, just hit these. So we're not really asking much polyrhythm wise. It's just all the big hits are the bass. And then what we'll do is we'll just get a snare there. Some of you might recognize this as sort of a standard swing. So let's see if we can make it work. So it's bass and hi-hat together, followed by just hi-hat, followed by all 3. So I kind of really can't do that, but it's really just a standard swing. Now I'm going to add something to make it a little bit more interesting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in these X's. So check it out. It goes. So that kind of, alternates between sort of a swing feel and a triplet feel. It's kind of cool. It's like. So I'm just trying to make it interesting, right? So part of the composition is, starting out with something simple and then playing it up to be a little bit more fun, so it feels like a personal thing. This is not the highest level thing, but it's kind of cool. I like the way it sounds. Because it kind of alternates between sort of feeling swing, which is one style of doing it, and this triplet thing, which has more of like an Afro-Latin kind of connotation. Kind of cool, simple enough, and sort of fun.